Welcome back to TmezTv, and I got a new day ahead of me. I got a call yesterday at like noon, and a guy had a wing car for me to go run. Can't turn down an offer to go racing. So I have no idea what this thing looks like. This is very unlike me to just like accept a ride and go show up, but I haven't been wing racing all year. Blew up a motor in the beginning of the year, so here we go. Let's go see what this thing looks like. Might be on an open trailer, I have no idea. Grab my gear. Nothing new to the channel. Got a mount a seat, got some hardware. Of course, that's where they line up. So, gotta throw some spacers in there. But going wing racing, how about that? Good looking race car. So we got everything all wrapped up, got the seat in it. Joe's working on the setup, and I think I drew a 51. Wing car format is typically qualified with your practice group. I think that's what it is. The driver's meeting was going on, but I got a sandwich. So, kind of missed that. I think we'll be okay though. Hey, what's the format? Okay, we don't know. We don't know what the format is. Track already kind of looks slick. So you got mud covers and everything, we're good to go?
Right now, yeah.
Yeah.
It's got 12 in the right rear, we got 5.5 here.
That's a lot in the right rear, isn't it? Inch 15.
Yeah.
Yeah, we should be at 9. Yeah, let's do that. Getting ready to go practice, and I haven't been in a wing car all year long, and so I just need to tell myself, drive it straight, don't flick the thing. We're practice and then qualifying all together, so I'm gonna get like 4 laps on the track, and that's gonna be, you know, how we time in for the night. So gonna get my helmet on, and you know, what's nice is it's not USAC racing. There's no pressure here. First time in the car, you know. So this is gonna be a fun night. Hey, thanks for watching TmezTv. See you out on the track. Qualifying, and typical Tmez fashion, I have to find the limit. The wing cars just, they'll like, if you get them in and unload the thing just right, it'll like load the front wing down and it wants to spin it out. That's just my excuse for why I just spun out. But hey, that was fun, and we're gonna continue to build speed. The thing was, track was really slick, so they're working on that, moving the right rear, taking some stagger out. It's kind of a paperclip like Hopstop, so wing speed isn't really a thing here. So it's kind of interesting what he's doing to the car. More non-wing stuff. Like a bunch of changes on the car.
We didn't do drastic. I'm thinking about dropping the rear in another half and up front another half, which would be a full turn if we decide to do that.
Yeah. I mean, it doesn't look like the nose is real high.
No, it's not.
I didn't even know
Of course, we've done the tire deal, moved it all the way in.
Yeah.
We've done a bunch of little bitty stuff.
You know it's slick. Look, that's only 2 fingers right there. That's how slick it is. But that's wing car racing. I'm used to the non-wing racing where we have that kind of moved out. So she's slick. We just move that out that way, and it's pretty cool because Joe's been wrenching on this thing, and I don't have to make any calls, and I kind of like that, you know? rubber everywhere, but this thing was just tight. I don't know.
It was.
Woo! Well, we ran second, which means I think we made the dash. That's big. Old Joe got this thing. That was 12 inches of stagger, and this thing was so tight. Whatever Joe did worked. I've never used the brakes that hard in my life. I kept thinking, Bernie was telling me a conversation about Anthony Macri. The thing gets tight and he just buries both pedals. So I'm out there just Anthony Macri in it, just burying both pedals. That was fun. That was fun. So I don't have any sponsors for the channel, but if I did, I would tell you that Sonic is one of my favorite places to go eat. And I love some nerds. For slushy with nerds, I love that. I love the tater tots. And hey, you should go to Sonic, get you something to eat because, hey, they sponsor a sprint car. So this was a pretty new tire going out. It's looking like, you know, the track conditions, it's already rubbered up into the heat. It's the first time they've raced this place in a long time, I guess. They had one race this year. It was really rough, so probably just trying to make the thing smooth so they don't tear up a lot of cars. Last race of the year, but it's the same for everybody. Gonna have to make that right rear last, you know, 30 laps, and I don't think it will. So we'll see what the track does. And you know, at this point, we were a little tight because of the rubber. I think we're gonna add some stagger or maybe tie the front shocks down a little bit and just try to find a happy medium balance. You got a flashlight, but you still missed. That's a goodie right there. What's going on? What's going on? So I told you in the beginning of the episode, you know, I had no idea what I was getting myself into. This isn't a bad deal. Paul Hart, you got really nice stuff. You got a heater. I love the heater. We got brand new tires, you know, and he's even got food up there, so great job. I'll do this again. As you can see, it is smooth slick, and we are wing racing. Oh yeah. Come on guys, let's roll. It's go time. The best job I can do. Okay, they're bringing me fuel. Okay, so car is really good. It's starting to lay rubber. I'm like tied off. I'm tied down the straightaway. It tried to hang a right towards the entry right there, one lap. So slowly moving the wing forward, but like my entry, like I'm not that good to the center, but from the center off, I'm tight, you know, so it's laying rubber down. We just gained a little bit of attrition, a couple guys in front of me. I don't know how I missed that. Woo! So close, so close.
What about the wing?
I moved it. I've been slowly moving it forward because in the beginning it wasn't rubbered up, but now it's starting to get rubber.
Oh, is it? Okay.
I'm a little.
Your left rear is wearing.
Yeah, that's good. That's why we put that.
Yeah.
We won't take some of that off that right rear.
Right rear looks good.
Good.
Yeah, we're probably going to make it. I don't know how many laps it's in, but
Yeah, we should be fine. I'm taking it easy on that,
yeah,
you know.
Brakes okay.
Man, the car's a lot better than it was. It's driving itself.
Yeah, good.
I'm a little tight down the straightaway. It seems to like left rear drive to the fence.
Yeah.
Maybe.
You might scoot the wing forward more.
Yeah.
You know, just to try.
Man, you might put a little something in the right rear.
I don't think they'll let us.
Okay.
Just fuel.
Just fuel. Fuel it is. It's always a big adjustment from the non-wing car because with the wing car you have to keep the wing loaded, and a lot of the times it wants to go so fast down the straightaway it's hard to slow it down without it turning into the corner real hard. Well, that's at least what I struggle with. Working the brakes and throttle and trying to make it all work. Check this out. Nothing left. Nothing left. So we kind of knew that that's how this was gonna go, and so we set the thing up. We ran extra stagger, and we kind of set it up to like just be conservative. Don't overdrive it. Don't abuse the tires. Kind of Silver Crown racing. So feel pretty good about that. I did my job, Paul and Joe did their job, and what a blast. What an awesome way to end the night on the podium. The 44 was fast. Hey, thanks for watching TmezTv. It's a lot of fun.